can have a glass at Nanga Parbat, and soon after that we will start our commence for Sturtu. I'm sure our cabin crew and the supervision of the cabin crew Wanda and Ma is taking good care of you and you are enjoying your flight. I am thankful for your selection of AirBlue as your preferred airline and look forward to your future travel also with AirBlue. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.